Let's walk through how I add drawer liners. I use my ruler, measure the width and depth of the drawers, and then find a wallpaper that ideally is the right width. This one happened to be perfect, which is very unusual. Now I'm going to cut the depth of the drawers. I use my Olfa mat and rotary cutter and ruler. This gives a perfectly smooth edge, and I dry fit to make sure that it's the right size, and then proceed to cut the rest of the liner for the other drawers. Then I peel the backing off, put it in place, press it down, and voila, beautifully lined drawers.
I don't always use peel and stick wallpaper to line my drawers. I choose based on the pattern I like, not the type of adhesive. Spray both the back of the wallpaper and the drawers for the best grip, making sure to get right into the corners of both. Then line it up carefully and press it down. I smooth it out with a microfiber cloth. Sometimes I'll even seal it with beeswax finish or Mod Podge to add a smooth feel and extra protection. And that's it. Clean, custom, and no slipping around.